Tired of distractions? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to change your world with industry-leading noise cancellation. These aren't just good. They virtually silence the world around you, making noisy commutes or busy offices feel like a private sanctuary. Forget charging anxiety with an incredible 30-hour battery life, ensuring your soundtrack lasts through the longest flights or work weeks. And the smart multi-point connection means you can seamlessly switch between your laptop and phone without ever missing a beat or a call. What truly sets the XM5 apart is that unparalleled quiet, allowing you to focus deeply on music, podcasts, or just pure silence like never before. Ready to experience this audio revolution? You can find the best deals and purchase your own pair via the Amazon link in the description below. For anyone searching for the best noise-canceling headphones right now, these are absolutely worth the investment. Unlike other headphones, Sony's advanced processing genuinely transforms your listening environment, making them a top contender for electronics in 2025. Imagine unparalleled sound quality combined with peace and convenience. That's exactly what the XM5 delivers. If you want to upgrade your audio experience and reclaim your quiet, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is my definitive recommendation.